Hey, Scott Grove here. I'm at AWFS at the grass booth. And I love these guys, man. I use these for years for hardware and all sorts of specialty stuff. And every time you go to these shows, they got a new application. And this is really unique, you know? I mean, you can never have a big enough drawer, right? So Ian's going to show us this new system, or kind of a modification. So what do we got here?
So right here we have a combination of 3 grass products. We have the Convaro DM lifter system, cable lifter, along with the Tiamos 90-degree flat hinge, and the DynaPro base mount slide, which mounts directly to the cabinet member instead of on the side onto the bottom. So you can do some unique applications.
How wide is this cabinet? Can I sleep in here?
This is
this where you're
57
sleeping?
inches wide.
How wide?
57 inches.
Wow.
So these are great for like appliance garages or specialty bar units. You want to hide and tuck things away. And it's as simple as that. This is a very heavy door, and it still goes. And
these are adjustable, right? So you
you adjust the tension on these as well. These are almost flush, but with this, with your floating shelf here, you'll never know that they're
So that's a bottom mount,
base mount,
under mount slide, and that's only 2 slides on that.
That's only 2 slides.
But then on this larger drawer down here,
for this large drawer, the base mounts are used as intermediaries between across the bottom of the drawer here. So we have 2 standard DynaPros on either end, and then 2 base mount units to give it extra support for this 57-inch wide drawer.
Wow.
Yep.
Well, great. Well, Ian, thanks for showing your new stuff here. This is good.
Thank you.
Check out grass next time you're looking for some specialty applications. Take care.